What's up guys, so it's time to do speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 10 5G and the Xiaomi Poco X3. So in this video I'll be doing speed test, rendering test and RAM management test between both smartphones. As on the Redmi Note 10 5G we have got Dimensity 700 5G chip, while on the Poco X3 we have got Snapdragon 732G chip, and both are 6GB variant. So let's find out which is faster and which one you should buy for gaming or for video editing in 2021. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. And as always, starting from the Bootup test, so here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one, as the Poco X3 is also a bit expensive than the Note 10 5G. So let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. And logos are moving around. Well, you can see it was exactly the same time. There was not a millisecond difference between both smartphones in a first boot up test. Now before starting the test, you can see both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some basic applications, and here we go. Well, you can see it was exactly the same time, messages, and again it was about the same camera, and you can see no difference at all till now. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference between the Redmi Note 10 5G and the Xiaomi Poco X. Welcome back guys. So it was a gaming test, rendering test and RAM management test between the Redmi Note 10 5G and the Poco X3 Nfc. Now after this test I will definitely prefer the Redmi Note 10 5G against the Xiaomi Poco X3 because while rendering and in some of the application the Redmi Note 10 5G performed very well against the Poco X3. Now the choice is yours and also you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both smartphones. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and as always keep supporting us.